Hello, I'm Will Hedden and these are your morning market headlines from IG. It's Thursday the 22nd of November. It is Thanksgiving and we start on a fairly positive note with FTSE moving up 25 points, 57.76. It's a healthy looking market this morning thanks to Chinese manufacturing data. HSBC flash PMI at a 13-month high, and this conversation about has China actually bottomed and starting to turn the corner in terms of economic growth, likely to gain more focus in the first quarter of next year, assuming we get the fiscal cliff and the Greek bailout issues out of the way. Now in the UK, just one name to mention today, SAB Miller half-year numbers for the brewer, a very decent set of numbers, stock up 4%, the dividend going up, good performance in Latin America, Eastern Europe and in fact the UK, with the only real downside being held back by FX moves in the Eurozone. Now, European PMIs are still the bad news coming out of the Eurozone. Heavyweights, Germany and France, showing very weak performance there and pointing towards very poor Q4 GDP numbers and a long winter ahead into next year. Now, Thanksgiving, so the US is about as closed as it can get today, and then a half day tomorrow, so very confusing a set of what's open and what isn't. We've got futures closing at 4:30 today, base London time, so we'll be running out of hours prices on the big three US indices from then until the futures reopen at 11 p.m. Oil and precious metals are also closing early, as are a host of other markets, and if that isn't complicated enough, a half day tomorrow makes it even worse, so do check out your account for details or contact our help desk, which can now be done on Twitter with the handle @IG Client Help. That's it from me. As always, check out Insight for further news and analysis.